Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's Saturday morning and I want to finish out this hair. I started on Friday. Okay, so I have just a little bit left to finish it out. Okay, so I want to do that quickly this morning before I carry on my day. Okay, so I woke up, took my bath, so let me try and finish out this hair. It's not a whole lot left. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you this hair that I'm using. It's called Afro twist, and this is in the 16-inch. I've done something similar with spring twist and also ombre bump twist, and I seem to like those kind of hair. I like the fit on me, and also it's very quick and easy to install and also to take down. Okay, so guys, let me finish out this hair. Okay, so let's continue making out this hair. If you want to see how the hair turns out, keep watching. So guys, this is how the hair is in the pack. It has three different bunches like this, and I think there's 10 or 12 in each of the pack like so. Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, so all total I'm gonna be using six of them. Okay, so three in the other pack I use here. So all of this is one pack and this is another pack. So hopefully, because I don't want it too full. Okay, since I'm doing it by myself, I don't want it too full. Okay guys, here is Bree. Bree, say hi.
Hi.
Say hello guys.
Hello guys.
What do you have in your mouth? What do you have in your mouth?
Bread.
Oh, you have bread in your mouth. Okay, all right guys. So guys, as you can see, it's not a lot. It's not a lot left. Okay, so I have my hand mirror here. So let's go now. Partition this hair. This one is called Mega Growth. Okay. Like so. If you live in the diaspora, you have to learn how to do your hair by yourself. Otherwise, go in the salon, it costs a lot of money. So you can do that once in a while, but it's not every time. You need a new hair, you go in the salon. You spend a chunk of your money fixing your hair all the time. So for me, I just go in the hair beauty supply store. I buy the hair for maybe $20 then I can install it myself. So that way I save me some coins. Can imagine if I have to go in the salon, me and my 2 girls in the salon, even though it's once in a month. That's a large chunk of money, guys. So this hair is 16 inches. I don't want it too long. Okay, so when you get to the bottom like this, you just get a scissors and just trim it off. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So I'm going to continue for the to do the others. Okay, so guys, one thing I noticed is that this Afro twist is not as smooth as the bump twist or the spring twist. Okay, so this one have like rough edges and the hair is a little bit stiff. Okay, so the spring and the bump twist is more softer and more bouncy than this Afro twist. Okay, so but I like the color of this honey color and black mixture. I love that color. So this texture is like more of what they call it now, what's the hair now, I forgot that hair, the other kind of twisted hair. Yarn, is it yarn twist? No, it's not yarn twist, but it's more stiffer than the spring twist or the bump twist. Okay, so just keep that in mind if you want to go with Afro, the Afro twist. Look at this child eating the so like I was saying, this texture is more like kinky twist texture. Okay, not like Afro twist, not like, oh my goodness, I don't even know what I'm saying. It's more like kinky twist texture. It's not as soft as the bump twist or spring twist. Okay guys, so guys, I'm almost done. I think I have about 3 or 4 left. You know, like I said before, it's more of a kinky twist texture than a bump twist or a spring twist texture. Okay, so this is what I have so far. At least this one will last me for another 2 to 3 weeks, you know. So yes guys, so I'm almost done. I will show you the final look when I'm done and styling it. Okay, so guys, I'm completed now with the hair. Looks so simple and nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go with my smooth and hold pudding from olive oil. So I'm just gonna put it around the edges. I like to put this around the edges. Okay, so just to help my edges. I put a little too much, but it's okay, it's gonna blend in. So I'm gonna go with my brush now and just brush the edges in. If you can do baby hair, that would be nice as well, but I don't know how to do baby hair on my people. I wish I knew that's too smooth. I always love the baby hair, how ladies do it, but I don't know how to do it. Okay, so that's this for the edges, just to smoothen it out and make it look all nice. So I will go in now with my olive oil hairspray, you know, just to give it that shine. That's it guys, that's it for this Afro spring twist. Okay, so that's it. So I'm just gonna use my scrunchie. I can wear it down like this if I choose to. I'm gonna use my scrunchie now and just put it up in a ponytail like so. Okay, so this I'm gonna wear it for the day. So now I can go to the market, go and get something for us, for we to cook. Yeah, so guys, thank you also so much for watching. I really appreciate you all support, always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to Luxe Mum TV. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.